Brand new G63 Mercedes right here. It's fully apart. Some of the stuff's already gone back on. We're almost done with the wrap. As you can see, this color is really cool. It's not a standard matte black. It's not a standard satin black that we usually do. This is called matte metallic black. It's newer from 3M. A really dope color. It kind of has like a very dark gray look to it because of the metallic in it. So for the guys that want matte black and have like a little bit of the gray, which we always got questions about, this is the perfect color. We're also waiting for the gloss black powder coated wheels, the front bar. So the gloss black with this color is gonna look really nice together. All right, so right here we have a pre-2019 G63 Mercedes. So this one is the non-facelifted version, but this is the factory matte black color, and that one is that matte metallic black color. So this one has like an olive kind of theme going on. That one has more of this brownish gray. So let us know which color you like better, the stock paint job or that new matte color wrap.
This guy's sick. He's a sick man. Help us. What? I'm not gonna repeat that. Oh, bro.
So we're here with the RDBLA Auto Care interior cleaner horsehair brush. This is a Cullinan Rolls-Royce key. We taped it off. The back of it is leather. This is white leather, just like the interior. So we're gonna clean it right now with this horsehair brush. Wipe it. So, this key's been through a lot, obviously. Now we're gonna take this tape off. Look at the difference right there. Not bad. All right, we're here on the LA streets. We got this Tiger with us. You guys saw it before, but now it has the orange wheels on there, matching the wrap. So those are the factory SV wheels, powder coated in orange. The brake calipers are now black with an orange Lamborghini sticker. It looks really good. It goes with the whole orange and black theme. Really sets it off now. The gray wheels were not really working for this beast. So we tamed it and we put some orange wheels on it. It looks really, really cool. We're gonna give it to the customer. I'm sure this is going to be blasted all over social media very soon. But yeah, you guys will see who's the owner. So let us know what you think. As you guys saw previous episode, this beautiful McLaren 570S, we tuned it, exhaust, black wheels, all that stuff, and now the hood is on there. 1016 Industries, full carbon fiber hood with those vents, makes it look like a mini P1. This was really the last piece of the puzzle for this beautiful 570S. The orange and carbon fiber looks amazing together, so fits almost perfect, identical, just like factory. Very quick change, so if you guys have a 570 or any other McLaren, 1016 makes all these hoods for it, and they look incredible.
But now it's less because I put it over.
It's light salt, bro. It's light.
Hey, what the f?
It's light. That doesn't happen. It's organic.
But it's still. Let me see what I think.
Did you put it in a shirt? No, right?
You put it in my pants already.
No.
Hey!
a really busy day today. This fastback Mustang, you guys have seen it on the channel before. We did the Willwood brake upgrades on it. We also did power steering. We're doing all the alignment on it, making sure the steering is good. We're gonna take it on a test drive. This car is gonna be sick when it's done because it's gonna drive great, brake good. Steering is gonna be easier. It was a mess when it came to us. I wasn't even braking properly, so we're gonna finish it up right now and test it.
Important things were to get this car's brake system completely redone with Willwood brakes. Also, the power steering on this car was terrible. We did upgrade the power steering system with all brand new brackets. We had to customize it to make it work. It took a lot of effort and knowledge to get this thing done. Yeah, very, very happy with the team. Did good on this one. This car hasn't been driven for a while. Everything feels pretty good. Just little minor adjustments going back to the shop right now. This car's gonna have a nice detail in the morning and customers picking it up at 11 o'clock.
Alright guys, so this is inside our showroom. We got the wheels up here and then we got our apparel and RDB Auto Care. Let's start right here. We got the RDBLA Ferrari style shirt. This one is a big seller. This is our newest shirt. This one has the RDB on the front and then it's got the Urus on the back. This is actually my car, so it's the wide body. Looks really awesome with the big RDB in the back for our fans, of course. We still have a little bit left of the RDBLA Auto Shop shirts right here. So this is just RDBLA Auto Shop 2019 on the front, nothing on the back. We got only about 5 shorts left. These are all smalls. I wear, I believe, a medium, so you guys could wear a small. Only this left. These 2 are for the limited collection. Once we're out, we're out. These 2 are a permanent collection. The back of them have the round RDB logo, of course, and then the front has the regular RDB right there. Looks really cool. So we got all this stuff in stock and a little bit more. It's all here. We don't really do fulfillment, but then we got the RDB Auto Care stuff here with all the different sprays, the microfiber towels, the foam suds gun, all that stuff. So right here is all the stuff you guys could order online. We also have keychains. We give out stickers all the time. We have air fresheners, all that stuff. So get on rdbla.com, shop, support us, and keep watching. You want to be on YouTube?
No.
Come on, man.
I'm shy, bro.
No, come. Like, he's flossing all the chrome hearts. He's one of our good customers. And say something to everybody.
Hi, guys. RDBLA.
Yeah. He's getting a Ferrari.
Yeah.
Getting a Ferrari? We're gonna do a chrome hearts wrap.
Yeah.
You down?
Probably HRE.
All right, let's go. Everything.
Yeah.
Car looks hard.
Car looks really hard. card. You
Yeah.
don't want to bring it to the Grove?
I can't. Brand new G63 right here. So we wrapped it in this new 3M matte metallic black color. Looks amazing. It still has that matte black look, but it has a little grayish tone to it. This is kind of sunset time. It looks incredible. Gloss black accents all around. This is a fully stock vehicle except for the wrap and the blackout. Color really suits it. If you're gonna do a regular matte black, this is where it's at now. As you can see, the details is where it's all at. This is that wrap color. This is gloss black wrapped, gloss black star. Everything else is the matte metallic black, and the emblems are gloss black as well. Looks incredible, stealth and clean at the same time.